Hey beautiful people, it's Rickita. I'm back with another video. So in this video, I'm going to show you guys how you guys can actually close your Kickoff account. So if you guys have Kickoff and you want to close it and you want to avoid any type of fees, then they actually have something called Zendesk where you actually can read up on how to do it. So I'm going to make sure I have that link in the description so you guys can actually click on the actual ones of the accounts that you have and you can learn more about it. But let's actually review that together. So this is what you guys will be able to see. And it says right here, how can I close my account? So at Kickoff, you can close your account at any time. There are no fees or penalties for closing your account early. You can close your account directly using the links below. Now, please note, you will need to log in before closing your account. If you are having login issues, then you need to make sure you read this article. Please note that paying off your Kickoff credit account will not automatically close it. If you decide to close your Kickoff credit account, we will not be able to resume it at a later date. So please consider carefully before doing so. Now, I personally will not, me personally, I will not close it because I see that Kickoff is still reporting to the credit bureaus and I have not paid them, and I know for sure over a year or so. Um, and they're still reporting to the credit bureaus, which is what we wanted them to do, right? If anything, I would pay whatever I said I was going to pay with them, unless you guys did like that $3,500 account and where you paying $35 per month, then I would just be like, you know what, I might have to cut my losses because you can spend that money and get a Navy Federal $200 secure credit card and that'll graduate to $2,000 if you really want a better financial option for that. But if you guys have like that simple $5 account, then I would just pay whatever I have to pay and say, hey, this was just something I had to learn my mistake from, and then let them continuously report to the credit bureau. That way you will let them they'll keep reporting for years. Mine is still reporting, like I said, and I haven't made a payment in over a year. So let's look at the different accounts that we can actually get. And again, I suggest that you guys do not close it too soon because you're going to mess up, especially if you guys not paying that much. So let's go ahead and check out the first one. So the first one is right here. Just close your Kickoff credit account. Now I'm already logged into my account. So since I'm logged into my account, the last account that I had was when they had that $500 line, but they actually upgraded that to the $750 line that everybody sees. So they're telling me, hey, I can go ahead and review it, but they're saying, hey, you have 0% utilization right now. And they're saying that I don't have to make any type of payment. They're saying, hey, my statement balance is this from that time. My account open date, y'all. Look when I opened this account. That's when I open it. And technically I'm recording this May 29th. So the next closing date for me for this one, that's the statement closing date. Because look, it closed May 27th. The next one is going to be June 27th. So they're still reporting this to the credit bureaus right now. I haven't made a payment on it. I'm not planning on making a payment on it. I'm not planning on renewing anything. I don't need to renew. Y'all reporting anyway without me paying anything. So like, why would I make any type of payment on this account? So if you guys wanted to close yours though, you guys will have the option on this page to actually close it. Let me see if what this thing would be. So that right there, that little thing, this little toggle thing, this little settings, that's where you will see close account, pay in full. You'll see the Kickoff store. You'll see the credit account agreement. You'll see your statements. You'll see your transaction history, your payment schedule, and your order and subscriptions. Let's look at my transaction history. Actually, it has been over a year, but you can see right here, this is the transactions that I have made on the account basically. So I made a $10 purchase and then I paid it back. Then I made a $20 purchase, and then I had an auto payment of $2, and then he charged me a subscription charge, and then they auto paid it all the way out basically. Payment, all of them auto pays basically on it, and that's it. So if you guys were to ever have like that smaller account, like I say, just pay off that little bit of amount, whatever it is, and just leave it alone. So I just let my auto pay basically around that $2, $3, $4 mark. I just let it auto pay. and I left it at that. And the reason why I did these is because I was trying to show you guys how Kickoff work. I'm pretty sure it's some type of video around this time that I made in regards to the Kickoff account, why I made a purchase right here, and then why I made another purchase the next year. Well, no, that's not the next year. Almost by the end of the year. So this is January and this is December. I made another purchase. So yeah, I just want to show you guys how I work, and then I want to show you guys probably on this one how to purchase something and make a payment right away just to pay it off. And then this one, I actually made a purchase on here. I signed up for some type of subscription, and I let them just go ahead and take that $40 or whatever out. But I was able to make a video for you all so that you guys can see how it worked. Now that is with the credit account. If you guys have that Kickoff credit builder loan, then you guys can click here. And since again, I don't have that Kickoff credit builder loan, so technically I cannot like show it to you. I cannot show you the loan and I can't cancel it, but this is the credit builder loan right here. They saying, hey, you can go ahead and renew it. So you guys can definitely cancel your loans. You can just cancel your full account, but I would suggest that you guys just pay it off early. With the Kickoff loan, that when I had it, it was a $10 per month you have to pay for 12 months, so it's $120. If I were you all, I would just pay that off early and tell them to give me my money back early. I had no problem with them giving me my money. So this is the original one where they had you paying $1 per month, but it was actually their money. You just have to come in here, click and say pay, and then it reports to the credit bureaus and build credit. That was their original one. But with this Kickoff one right here, this credit builder loan, that was one where you actually paying $10 per month. So I want you guys to, if you guys have this option, think about just paying it off early, putting extra money towards paying it, and then telling them to give your money back because now you didn't paid everything that you were supposed to pay into that. Now, if you guys have the Kickoff secure credit card, you'll click right here, and it says right here, if you would like to close your Kickoff secure credit card, please log into your account and navigate to the secure credit card tab, followed by card settings, and there you will find a contact us option for our dedicated support team that would assist you with closing this account. Now, please make sure you guys keep in mind when it comes down to just closing your accounts with them, they already warned you all that when you close their account, they will not be able you'll not be able to resume it at a later date. So please consider this stuff carefully. And like I said, I would rather you guys just pay it off early and leave it at that. But to each their own. And I understand whatever decision that you guys end up making on this. But I hope that this helped. I wanted to make sure I make this video because I've seen this a lot of time in my comments. And please excuse this little baby. He is having the time of his life. I'm going to go ahead and get him in order now. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye-bye.